What's going on, everyone? Super excited to be able to share this with you. This is actually my first Tissot watch. It's been a model that's been hyped and talked about a lot lately. Let's go ahead and open this up and just check it out and see what it's all about. So, it comes neatly packaged, nicely boxed. Materials look great and feels great. Comes double walled. And here is the moment of truth, guys. Wow. Look at that gorgeous piece. Man, that dial just really pops. Let's take a look here. Wow. Let's put this to the side for a second, see what's inside. Comes a tag, $99.5 US retail. Just come with some instructions, register my watch, kind of all the different languages. Put this stuff back in. And let's just open this up. So let's go over the specs of this watch. Like all stainless steel models, the PRX Powermatic 80 movement features 80 hours of power reserve and has 100 meters of water resistance. The main difference here in the forged carbon version is that it features an upgraded movement. This movement is dubbed 80.811, which is based off the ETA caliber 2824. The main difference here is that it has an upgraded silicon balance spring, which is supposed to be more accurate for timekeeping, has better anti-magnetic properties, and it's better under extreme weather conditions. One other thing to note is that what I've heard is that the silicon balance spring version actually has no plastic parts inside, which is a plus. I know there's been a lot of discussion among the community, why do you have plastic parts in your watches, it's cheap, etc. So this specific model in the forged carbon finish has that upgraded movement without plastic components within. The case itself is about 40.5 millimeters, and it's not too big. I think it looks just right. It feels like a good size, and the thickness is about 11.23, so still a pretty slim profile here. The case itself is 316L stainless steel, and it's black PVD coated, so both the case and the crown itself has that PVD coating and it's stainless steel. Everything else is forged carbon, and the dial, especially if you take a look there, is just pops, and it really looks way better in person than it does here in this video or even in pictures, especially when you look at it from different angles where you can kind of see the shadows just kind of catch it. This watch does have super luminova, so it is supposed to obviously shine in the dark. Features a sapphire crystal, which is scratch resistant and has an anti-reflective coating on the front, and the back is actually a see-through exhibition caseback, and that I believe is a mineral glass. Let's go ahead and flip this around and just take a look here. Just take off the protective sticker and get close. Now let's just take a look. It says SI up on about the 11 o'clock position. If you look at it there, that means that it has a silicon balance spring, and this particular model has 25 joules and it's 3 hertz, so it's been slowed down a bit. Yeah, this thing looks really slim and the profile is great. If you look at the strap here, it says PRX on both sides. Take a look at the front of the strap. So it has a waffle pattern like you would expect on the stainless steel dials. The buckle is also stainless steel black PVD coating. And if you notice here, the strap actually has like this locking mechanism here on the sides. And under there, you can see there's actually another one there, so you can actually just secure it in place. All right, let's give it a quick wind, set the time and date, and just kind of go over that a little bit. So I'm not sure if you guys can hear this, but it has great feedback when you're winding the watch. It has hacking seconds, so let's just pull this out all the way and set the time here. Apologize for the shakiness. Okay. And the first position here. Turn it. That is the date. Click it back in. And we're all done. Now let's go ahead and put this watch on. See how it fits. So I have a 7-inch wrist, and man, that thing is gorgeous. Arguably, probably the cleanest looking watch under $1,000. And I think this is going to be a really great daily for a lot of people. You know, especially for me, trying to get something a little bit more incognito, a little bit more stealth for everyday wear. But yeah, let's take a look. That dial is so unique. That forged carbon dial just looks amazing, and it's really hard to just describe it or get it in pictures. If you guys are on the fence about getting this watch, man, it is definitely one I would say just go pick up. It's stunning, it's amazing. I think you're gonna get a lot of compliments from, you know, watch guys or even car guys, whatever it is. You know, you'll get a lot of compliments from people in general, because I believe this is a very unique looking watch. If you guys have liked this video, like and subscribe. Thank you, and enjoy.